Entrepreneur and former journalist Alan West Kharkongor joined the NPP on Monday. Soon after his entry, the state president of the party, W.R. Karuluki, announced that Alan will contest from Sora. Alan, who is also an event manager, runs a cafe in Sora and had taken up development and tourism-related issues, especially the cleanliness of the area. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, MDC Grace Mary Kharpuri, among others, were also present. It may be mentioned, Alan was associated with NCP, headed by P.A. Sangma, the architect of NPP.
I'm happy to see that all the issues that he's been taking up are actually moving forward. And we are seeing that because of his commitment to the cause for the people of his constituency, of his area, and for East Khasi Hills and for Meghalaya state as a whole, that commitment is bearing fruits today, and we are seeing result at the grassroots level.